Did you know that some everyday habits could be secretly aging you faster than you think? In the next few minutes, I'm revealing 6 ugly aging habits that make you look older, and more importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. From simple lifestyle tweaks to small changes in your routine, these tips can make a noticeable difference in how youthful you appear. So, if you want to turn back the clock and look your best every day, make sure you stick around. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Lesson 1. Stop skipping sunscreen, your secret weapon against aging. Most of us think sunscreen is only for beach days or sunny vacations, but here's the truth, skipping sunscreen every single day is one of the fastest ways to make your skin age. Imagine this, even on cloudy days or when you're just sitting by the window, harmful UV rays are slowly damaging your skin. Over time, this causes wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging skin, making you look older than your age. The good news: this is one of the easiest aging habits to fix. Just a few minutes every morning can protect your skin for years to come. Think of sunscreen as your invisible shield, a secret weapon you wear under your makeup or even on bare skin. SPF 30 or higher is enough for daily use, and you can even find lightweight, non-greasy formulas that feel amazing, but sunscreen alone isn't magic. You can double your protection with hats, sunglasses, and mindful outdoor habits. The more consistently you apply it, the better your skin will thank you in the long run. Picture this: healthy, radiant skin that glows, fewer fine lines, and a youthful, fresh look that everyone notices. That's the power of this simple habit. Here's a little tip that makes it fun and easy: turn sunscreen into a part of your daily self-care ritual. While you moisturize, take a moment to appreciate your skin and the fact that you're investing in your future glow. Not only does this prevent aging, but it also boosts confidence. Feeling good about your skin is just as important as protecting it, so, if you've been skipping sunscreen, today is the perfect day to start. Your future self will thank you. Start small, stay consistent, and soon it will become second nature. Remember, aging gracefully isn't about expensive creams or drastic measures, it's about simple, positive habits that make a real difference. And don't forget, if you enjoy tips like this, like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you look and feel your best every single day. Lesson 2. Sleep well, the secret to looking younger. We all know that sleep is important, but did you know that skipping sleep or having irregular sleep patterns can make you look older faster? That's right, late nights, binge-watching shows, or scrolling endlessly on your phone can silently speed up wrinkles, dark circles, and dull skin. Your body needs quality sleep to repair itself, and your skin is no exception. Here's the exciting part: improving your sleep is one of the easiest ways to reverse some signs of aging. Think of sleep as your natural anti-aging treatment. It's free, effortless, and works while you rest. During those 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep, your body produces collagen, which keeps your skin firm and smooth. Lack of sleep means less collagen, more fine lines, and a tired appearance. But with the right routine, your skin glows, your eyes brighten, and you wake up feeling refreshed and youthful. Making it fun and positive is key. Try creating a relaxing nighttime ritual. Dim the lights, play soft music, or enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Your future self will thank you. You can even pair it with a calming skincare routine. Imagine ending your day with gentle self-care, knowing you're investing in both your beauty and health. Another trick is consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body loves routine, and it rewards you with better sleep quality, improved mood, and a youthful glow. Plus, when you sleep well, your energy skyrockets, and you naturally carry yourself with confidence, a true fountain of youth. So, if you've been neglecting your sleep, it's time to make a change. Small tweaks today can have a huge impact tomorrow. Remember, looking youthful isn't about complicated treatments, it's about simple, positive habits like this that your body naturally loves. And don't forget, if you enjoy tips like this, like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you look and feel your best every single day. Lesson 3. Stay hydrated, the key to radiant, youthful skin. Did you know that one of the easiest ways to look younger is also one of the simplest? Drinking enough water every day can completely transform your skin, giving it a natural glow and keeping wrinkles at bay. When your body is dehydrated, your skin looks dull, tired, and even saggy. But when you stay hydrated, your skin stays plump, soft, and vibrant, like a fresh, healthy canvas. Here's the exciting part: you don't need fancy creams or expensive treatments to achieve this. Water is nature's secret anti-aging elixir. Drinking 8 glasses a day may sound simple, but it works wonders. Combine this with a good moisturizer, and you're giving your skin double protection. Imagine your face looking brighter, smoother, and full of life every single day, all from a habit you can start right now. Let's make hydration fun. Carry a cute water bottle with you, or add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Set reminders on your phone, or make it part of a daily ritual, like drinking a glass before every meal. Turning hydration into a joyful routine makes it easy to stick to, and soon, you won't even notice. You'll just see the amazing results in your skin. Hydration also affects more than just your skin. It boosts energy, improves mood, and helps your body function at its best. Feeling good on the inside naturally shows on the outside. When your body is happy and well hydrated, you radiate confidence, positivity, and youthful energy, a glow that no makeup can mimic. So, if you've been neglecting water, today is the perfect day to start. Small steps, like drinking 1 extra glass a day, can make a big difference. Over time, your skin will look healthier, fresher, and more youthful than ever. Remember, staying young isn't about complicated routines, it's about simple, positive habits that your body naturally loves. And don't forget, if you enjoy tips like this, like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you look and feel your best every single day. Lesson 4. Cut down on sugar, keep your skin young and glowing. Most of us love a sweet treat now and then, but did you know that too much sugar can secretly speed up aging? When we eat a lot of sugar or processed foods, it damages collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep our skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Over time, this can lead to sagging, wrinkles, and dullness. But don't worry, this is one of the easiest aging habits to fix. Here's the exciting part: you don't have to give up all your favorite foods. The key is balance and smarter choices. Swap sugary drinks for water, fruit, or herbal tea. Choose whole foods instead of processed snacks. Small changes like these make a huge difference. And your skin will thank you with a healthy, radiant glow. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing smoother, brighter skin, all because of a few simple adjustments to your diet. Making it fun and positive is important too. Turn healthy eating into a lifestyle you enjoy. Try colorful fruits, fresh vegetables, and delicious home-cooked meals. You can even experiment with natural sweeteners or sugar-free treats. When you focus on nourishing your body, you're not just protecting your skin, you're boosting your energy, mood, and overall health. Another tip is to eat foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green vegetables. These fight free radicals that damage your skin and accelerate aging. Think of it as giving your skin a daily shield that keeps it youthful, plump, and glowing. Remember, looking younger isn't about complicated creams or expensive treatments. It's about simple, positive habits that make a real difference. By reducing sugar and eating well, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy, fresh, and vibrant. So start today. Small changes lead to big results. Your future self will thank you for it. And don't forget, if you enjoy tips like this, like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you look and feel your best every single day. Lesson 5. Mind your expressions, keep your face youthful. Have you ever noticed little lines around your eyes or mouth and wondered where they came from? Often, repetitive facial expressions like frowning, squinting, or constantly looking down at your phone can slowly create fine lines over time. These small habits might seem harmless, but they can make your face look older than it really is. The good news? This is an easy habit to fix, and it can make a big difference in how youthful you appear. Here's the fun part: you can train your face just like any other part of your body. Being mindful of your expressions, smiling more, and relaxing your forehead can help prevent unnecessary wrinkles. Imagine smiling at the world, feeling confident, and noticing that those little lines appear less over time. Smiling not only lifts your face, it lifts your mood too. Facial exercises are another exciting tool. Simple moves like raising your eyebrows, gently massaging your cheeks, or opening your mouth in exaggerated ways can tone your facial muscles. This improves circulation and keeps your skin firm. Over time, these exercises can help reduce sagging and give you a naturally youthful appearance. Posture also plays a surprising role. Looking down at your phone for long periods, or slouching while working, can create stress lines and deepen wrinkles. By keeping your head up, shoulders relaxed, and phone at eye level, you protect your skin and maintain a confident, radiant look. The best part is, being aware of your expressions makes you more present in the moment. You start noticing how little things affect your appearance and mood, and you gain control over how you present yourself to the world. Small changes in daily habits can create noticeable results, and it's empowering to see that your actions directly impact your youthful look. So, start today, smile often, relax your face, and be mindful of your expressions. These tiny, positive habits can make your skin look fresher, firmer, and more vibrant, helping you age gracefully and confidently. And don't forget, if you enjoy tips like this, like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you look and feel your best every single day. Conclusion. Make if you applied all 6 habits, your skin, energy, and confidence could transform, and small positive changes today can lead to big results tomorrow. I'd love to hear from you. What habit will you start first? Have you tried any of these tips before? Share your experience in the comments below so we can all learn and grow together. Your feedback means a lot and helps me create more valuable content for you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips to look and feel your best every day.